everyone! Today I'm going to be filming a collective makeup haul. All of these items that I'm going to be showing have been accumulated over the past month or two. The first item that I have to show you guys is this MAC Snowball Glitter Pigment Kit, and this is in gold. This was part of MAC's limited edition holiday collection, and it comes in this little cute pouch that's glittery with a snowball at the end. And there are 3 pigments. It comes with English Gilt, which is a pigment, gold glitter, and vanilla pigment. And I'm excited to use these because, as you guys know, I love glitter, and I'm even wearing glitter on my eyelids today. Today I'm wearing the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Wanderlust, and it's super beautiful and I love it. I also got this mini sample of strobe cream. I have the mini version of this already, but I decided to pick up another sample with my order because I love strobe cream. The next item I have to show you guys is this Glam Glow multi-masking kit, and I actually got this from my relatives. It was a late Christmas present. It comes with a little sample size of each of these Glam Glow masks, and it also comes with a larger Super Mud mask. This is just a great set to try out all of the Glam Glow masks because Glam Glow masks are expensive. And then Benefit sent me a package with the Professional primer, the original one, and the Pearl Professional. And then they also sent me this card that says something is coming and then a date for the launch of the new Benefit mascara, which is the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and it's out now in stores. I also got a Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is in the shade Illuminati. I haven't opened this yet, but I've heard many great things about this product, so I'm excited because you guys know how much I love highlight, and I can't wait to be glowing to the gods with this highlighter. And then I also got this brow highlighting pencil. It's by the brand The Brow Gal. I went to Sephora and this was on sale, like $4 off, and I wanted to try it because I really love the setting powder that CoverFX has, and this is the mini version, so I can bring it with me whenever I travel. And this set also comes with a mini mattifying setting spray and a mattifying primer. And I also got a mini deluxe sample of this Mirror Rad Youth Serum that came as a gift with purchase at Sephora. And back in January, I went to BlushCon and I met my favorite YouTuber, Adiel Jurgensen, and it was such a great opportunity. I went to the Wet n Wild booth and they gave me these 2 new cushion foundations. I believe these just came out. I have one in the shade Nude Beige and Honey Beige. And then I also got a bunch of samples from Dr. Bronners. They were giving out a bunch of samples at the event. And then I had to stock up on my favorite lip balms of all time. These are the Chapstick Total Hydration 3-in-1 lip balms, and these are in Sweet Peach. You guys know I love this lip balm, and I always keep one in my backpack, in all of my purses, on my vanity. Like, this is just my holy grail lip balm, and I use it all of the time. I also got this The Brow Gal Convertible Brow Powder Palette. I love the packaging of this product and how simple and sleek it is, and it comes with a little slip and it says, "Do your face a favor." Then I went to Ulta and I picked up a few goods. I got the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners, and I got it in Vivid Sapphire and Vivid Petal. I've actually tried the Vivid Petal one and it came out a little cracky and it wasn't smooth, so I think I'll be going to return this one, but I'm not sure how I feel about this one yet because I only tried it once. I just wanted to branch out and create more colorful looks since I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I know I have enough highlighters, but I also got the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in Molten Rose Gold, and it looks like this. I also got this Soap & Glory facial wash, and this is with yuzu superfruits. And I signed up for Tatcha's newsletter and they sent me a sample of their new The Deep Cleanse cleanser, and this is for normal and oily skin. And here's what the mini bottle looks like. It's so cute. I'm going to read the description of this product. This card says that this oil-free daily gel cleanser is infused with natural exfoliants and clarifying extracts from the Japanese loofah fruit to lift impurities, unclog pores, and balance skin's moisture. Use this deep but gentle cleanser in the morning to wake up for a fresh start. This cleanser is available at Sephora and Tatcha.com for $38. The last item I have to show you guys, I am so excited to use. This is the Moschino and Sephora collaboration eyeshadow palette, and the packaging is everything. This is what the palette looks like. It says this is not a Moschino toy. They remind me so much of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette, which I have yet to buy. I've already swatched a couple of colors and they are very pigmented. I will be doing a tutorial with this palette. Overall, this is such a cute eyeshadow palette and I'm excited to have it in my collection. So thank you to my aunt who bought me this, and she surprised me. It was a gift out of nowhere. And since she ordered off of Sephora, she also got me a little sample, and this is the Marc Jacobs lip cream, which is a lipstick, and it's in the shade Slow Burn. I don't have any lipsticks that are this shade. And that's all of the makeup that I have collectively accumulated over the past 2 months. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on my bell notifications so that you don't miss any uploads from me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will have that somewhere on the screen right here. Bye everyone! My eyeliner literally took me 10 years to get done.